Hey everybody, it is attorney Krysti Monaco here, and it is October 1st, 2025, and I today have gotten about 15 calls asking me how the federal government shutdown is going to affect Social Security disability, the benefits, the process, and so on. Let's start off with people who are on benefits. Social Security is an essential function, meaning your benefits should come timely and there shouldn't be any delay in actually receiving benefits if you're already on claim. That being said, if you're not on claim yet, you are probably likely going to experience delays. They are still going to process claims, however, they are furloughing a bunch of employees, and that's probably likely going to slow things down. So during this time, if you are applying to be on SSI or SSDI, you should be staying on top of your deadlines, staying on top of gathering your medical records, and making sure they're submitted to Social Security. Disability Determination Services. That is the facility that reviews the claims, orders medical records, orders consultative examinations. That is going to vary from state to state. Now, that is a federally funded facility. However, they're state employees. So the state has to agree to pay those people during this shutdown in order for them to continue doing their jobs. Georgia, for example, we were just told, has only agreed to pay them for 10 days. So Georgia DDS offices are only going to be working for 10 days. After that, it's likely they're going to be laying people off until the government shutdown is over. However, that is going to vary state to state, like I said before. So DDS, Disability Determination Service, is not going to be doing any functions where they're spending money. That includes requesting medical records, requesting consultative examinations. That's why it's going to be super important that during this government shutdown, you stay on top of your claim, get your medical records, make sure they're uploaded to Social Security, because they're not going to be doing that on there. And of course, if you have any questions, give us a call here at the law office of Nancy KB.